Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hello, how are you all? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to Navy Zomi School. I am Muhammad Ariful Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, National English School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take an English class for class junior 1 students. Our today's topic, the Radiant Way, page 15 discussions. So my dear students, open your this book, The Radiant Way, first step, and go to page number 15. We will read today Father, the poem Father. Okay. Let's see our today's lecture. Class Junior 1, subject English, topic The Radiant Way, page 15 discussion, term Harville exam, lecture 26. No SW today, teacher Ariful Islam. This is my mobile number and today's date. So my dear students, open your book and go to page number 15. So this is the book, page number 15 in your book, okay? The Radiant Way, page number 15, okay? So my dear students, you can see in the picture Pat and Anne. This is Pat, this is Anne, and they have top and fan, and this is their father. There is a cat. You can see some trees. Okay, so the name of the poem is Father. Father has a top for a pet. So father has a top. This is the top for pet. So this is the pet. Father has a fan for Anne. So this is Anne. This is Anne. And father has a fan. This is fan. Fan for Anne. And top for pet. Father and mother show the top to pet. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Come for the top, pet. Come for the fan, Anne. Pet and Anne ran for the top and the fan. So Pat and Anne both ran for the top and the fan. So we will read again for the last time. The name of the poem is Father. So father has a top for Pat, and father has a fan for Anne. So this is the main theme. Father has a top. Father has a gift for Pat, and this is top. And father has a gift for Anne, and this is fan. So father has a top for Pat. Father has a fan for Anne. Father and mother show the top to Pat. Father and mother show the fan to Anne. Come for the top, Pat. Come for the fan, Anne. Pat and Anne ran for the top and the fan. So this is our today's lecture, my dear students. So read the poem. You do not need to memorize this poem because this poem will not come in the exam. We will read only, fill in the gaps, word meanings, English to Bangla from this poem. So my dear students, thanks for watching this class. Keep practicing at home. Have a great parents. Stay safe, stay well. See you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.